Welcome back everyone to TensorFlow Object Detection CAPTCHA Solver tutorial final part. So in previous tutorial we made an actual detection and we wrote a simple code how to actually detect our symbols and our CAPTCHAs and to show this on screen or save it on image. So in this tutorial we will continue it and we fully will complete that code that it give us string of CAPTCHA, and of course we'll write a simple filter that I mentioned before. So right now I'll copy everything from third tutorial and we'll work on it. So I copy it to fourth part and I'll open it and we can begin to work. So actually what I'm going to do is I'll begin from here or from defined function, and here I'll just write something like average distance error equal to 3. This will be used to my filter. It's right now it doesn't matter, I'll explain it later. And here I don't want to show an image, I want to simply save it. I'm not sure if the imports are right for this, but okay, we'll see if I'll get an errors, something like that. So right now it will simply save an image. So here I'll begin everything, all my code. Okay, right below we do filtering stuff here, and we'll need CAPTCHA array for this things equal to nothing for now, and we'll start to looping our boxes. So boxes save in the boxes are saved all the values of this is classes, scores, category, index, and so on. So for I and B in enumerate boxes, right, enumerate boxes, we'll call right here 0 and like that. Next is we loop here all detected boxes. In this line, for now, in this line we'll be checking all symbols we have. Well, we have written in our file that's 37, but let's see. And there is 37. And you know what it means, that our A, for example, will be 0, B will be 1, C will be 2, and so on. And next we are checking if detected classes from 0 and I are equal to any detected symbol. If it is, then we are checking the scores. For example, 0 and I, and here we check if, for example, our scores are higher than 65. If our scores are higher than 65, we are doing this simple stuff. Well, not that simple, but this stuff that we take we'll calculate the middle of X, for example, of the symbol. If CAPTCHA has A, then we'll find that A center, I mean the center of the boxes. And here we'll write the boxes, and here we'll write 0, I think, and I, and here is 1. And of course, don't worry, I'll comment all this code while I'm uploading it to my web page or GitHub, doesn't matter, but it will be with comments so you could better understand what I'm doing in which places. Right now I only doing this. If you would like to understand everything better, you should play with this code by yourself to understand it more. I was playing with it quite a lot while was doing CCGO enemies detection tutorials and trying to improve it, so I learned quite a lot. And right here we are picking this category index, which we are interested what we have there, and we are taking this category index of symbol, and then we are, because there is a dictionary, it's not a difficult task for us to receive a name of our symbol. So here we write name, here we write a mid x, and next we write scores I. Yeah, something like that. And this way we should find everything from, we should add everything to CAPTCHA array. So if we would like to test it out, we can use just a print function to print all the array for us. Yeah, we can try it out and we'll see if my code is correct and don't have any errors. Where is that folder? What image I'm checking? 11. Oh, this is quite difficult. CAPTCHA GPCRL. Oh, sorry, something with CAPTCHA inference graph doesn't found. Let's see. So it means that something wrong here, and I would need to check it out on my uploaded code if there isn't that error. Seriously, I made this kinda mistakes. Anyway, it's this tutorial will be only with codes, so I would like to fully complete this tutorial. So here it is. Where is my CAPTCHA? We have it, and as you can see, there's a P, R, L, G, one more G. Interesting kind, yeah. And we should have a predicted image, predicted CAPTCHA. So as you can see, here is two symbols in one. So it also sees a G, but this G is 97%, and this G is only 75, almost 75%. Oh, sorry, which is this? And about C, it doesn't see a C letter at all. That's strange. I'll check it again. So anyway, Now we see why we need filter, and I think it's not even possible to filter this out. Well, anyway, it doesn't matter. We'll check this out, which example was also bad. I don't remember, maybe this. Well, anyway, let's continue of our filtering. And right now, as you saw, it was unordered detection, so we need to reorder everything in a one list according to the CAPTCHA. So for a number, and for example, I'll take a range of 20, so we'll do at least 20 times for this rearrangement for every letter. For CAPTCHA number in range length, we'll write a CAPTCHA array, and of course we need to -1 here, because length function calculates how many there is, what length is the CAPTCHA array, but we don't want, if we want to decrease by -1, we can't access a 0 array number because it starts from first. So here, if CAPTCHA number is CAPTCHA number detection percentage is higher than, let's copy this, then following CAPTCHA number, what we do is create a temporary CAPTCHA where we save our CAPTCHA array. And next is our CAPTCHA array, CAPTCHA number equal to +1 here, and this +1 is equal to temporary CAPTCHA. So we swap the first and second arrays. So now we can try to, in here I think should also be this, and there. That's quite simple mistakes. So here should be swapped all. If you are using long CAPTCHA, you should increase this number to bigger. Okay, what's, oh, sorry for this. So if you're using CAPTCHA with 10 symbols or something, it would be necessary to increase this number to 50 or something. And you can see right now it rearranged my array according to this coordinates. As you can see, it goes from lowest to highest, 32 and so on. So right now we have, where is my CAPTCHA? Here. So right now we have a G, then goes P, then goes again G, and as you can see it's only 75%, then goes R, 78% and L, 98%. Here was 99. So as you can see, it doesn't detect C, so it will be failed with this CAPTCHA. So we would need to increase the accuracy of our model, but I chose this CAPTCHA for this. This is the reason, because it was quite hard for our model to break. So it was rearranged. Okay, now we can go to another step, and next step would be to find an error. I mean the average distances between these symbols. So average is equal to 0, and CAPTCHA len equals to length of CAPTCHA array, and of course one more time -1. So what we are doing here, while our CAPTCHA length is more than 0, what we are doing is here that we average add something here. So it would be CAPTCHA array with CAPTCHA length one, and we minus another CAPTCHAs. I mean the symbol which is nearby. So we take last letter x coordinates and r coordinates, and we take the differences between them and we get this small distance here. And we do the things r with this, then with c and p, and with p and g. And we have all the differences as average in the sum. And what we do after that is we minus every CAPTCHA length. And last step is average, to calculate the final average. So it's average divided by length of CAPTCHA array here, and we add average distance error, as I said before. So this is the error because, for example, if there is R, C, P, and G, all letters, for example, in the left side of CAPTCHA, and one symbol would be here, far away from all these, so there will be a very big gap between them, and it might be calculated as not the string from this CAPTCHA. Or, for example, if R and L letters are very close, for example R is almost on L letters, so it means that also it's too close, they are together too close, so well, we can't take it as true detection, because for example it might be detected wrong. For example, right now we have not a C but G here, and what we have G, P, and G again, but for real what we have is also we have C, but we can't see it here, so I would need to, for example, increase this to 60. So let's run it. But it sees better chances as C. I don't know why. It should be different. So right now you see there is a C also, but it with lower chance. So here we have very similar coordinates. So we see that it's too small difference than our error. So it means that one letter is on top of another letter. So we need to do something with this. So we have this average error. So right now what we do is we calculate our average array filtered. I mean, I don't know why I copied this. So average array filtered, I think I'll color it, and it will be also no, it will be copied CAPTCHA array. So we copy just this array, and we again take the CAPTCHA length, so where I can take it, CAPTCHA length equals to length CAPTCHA array, and again -1, and here we again write while CAPTCHA length is more than 0. I'll add one more spacing here, and here and here. Okay. So what we do is that right now, we calculate if our average distance is larger than error distance. So if CAPTCHA array CAPTCHA length is one minus this, well, yeah, I can just simply copy, is smaller than average, then we check why and what we should do then. In other cases we don't do anything. So here if CAPTCHA array CAPTCHA length and are 2, so here's the percentage of detection, then we check the percentage, which is higher percentage, higher than this, we delete our CAPTCHA -1, and this is not necessary anymore. So this is that we simply delete this C, we don't need it anymore, and this will be similar. So else we delete G. That's quite simple. And here we do this while we have a length of CAPTCHA. Also, I'm using while because you want to do this from the end of the loop, it doesn't matter. And what's left? Well, what's left is CAPTCHA string. So CAPTCHA string is equal to nothing for now, and here we simply write for CAPTCHA letter, for example, in range length CAPTCHA array filtered right now, which we have, and here we just add a CAPTCHA string to it. that's quite simple. CAPTCHA string, and here we work on CAPTCHA filtered. CAPTCHA filtered equals to CAPTCHA letter, and of course it will be 0. CAPTCHA letter, CAPTCHA string. Okay. So we'll add a CAPTCHA string here, and here's the final thing we should do is return CAPTCHA string. Yeah, that's it, I think. So now we can test it out. This would be print like this. Sorry. And let's wait for it. GPG CRL. Well, what the hell? Okay, GPG CRL. It didn't filter it out, so something wrong is here. Let me check this out. Well, CAPTCHA length is higher. If CAPTCHA array CAPTCHA length 1 minus if CAPTCHA array CAPTCHA length. Oh, here's the mistake. So I said this, that here should be something wrong. Yeah, let's try it again. And this should work right now. No. There's again something wrong here. Okay, let's check this again. Oh, I see. We should delete it from filtered array, not from our original array. So sorry again for this. And finally, what's the result? Yeah, congratulations, we have the mission accomplished. So we can test it out on another images, but for now I would like to show you how to use this model as out of the box. So that would be really simple. I will comment this line here and I'll open this, and here we create a new for example, we call it main.py file. We create it, yes, and I'll open it, and here I simply import from this import all. Quite simple, doesn't it? And here we just copy this print command, and we can try it with another JPEG, for example this one. And if you want to make more tests, you can uncomment this line to show this image of detected CAPTCHA. PDFC. Okay, it works. Well, we can run it again, I think. If you want to see the photo of detected CAPTCHAs. As you can see, it takes some time, but Yeah, and PDFCT, it's okay, that's quite nice. Next we can try, for example, which would be more difficult. Let's see, ROCMC. Well, yeah, we can try this. Let's run this and we'll see what we have here. I think we had a fourth example where we had bad detections. ROCMC, as you can see, it's okay. And let's try a fourth image. MUPVQ. Yeah, that's quite simple. Yeah, I don't remember exactly which might be more difficult. OVPGHUQ. Well, let's try this. 6 JPEG. I might try to find one more CAPTCHA which I used before. As you can see, here is also, it even detects that U and Q. Well, okay, give me a moment. I'm scrolling my files to find one more interesting CAPTCHA image. Yeah, no. Damn it, I don't have it. Well, anyway, you understood what I'm trying to do here. Here, Z. Let's see how it detects Z. Well, this is the last I'm trying. I can close this. And for example, if you can change this error, average distance error, to test how it works for you, but I implemented it in case. It sometimes is needed, sometimes not. And as you can see, it perfectly sees these CAPTCHAs. So right now it's quite hard to find CAPTCHAs which is not detected by my model. And what I can say, it works for me, it should work for you. You only need to install everything correct, and I'll upload this code to my website to download. Maybe I'll add it to GitHub and so on. I'll add all links to this, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in comment section below this video. And if you like this video, smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. Text version of this tutorial and links will be left in video subscription. Thank you all for watching, good luck, and see you in our next tutorial.